Hi chocolate lovers, thanks for tuning into Chocolate Therapist TV today. I'm Julie and today we're going to be taking the chocolate bar challenge. I am going to challenge you to go out there and do this with your friends. Not very difficult, it's really fun in fact, and I made it super easy because I have a PDF file with a rate sheet on the different categories and how you're going to rate them, as well as a total column, and then put your favorite bar in the center of the heart. So I'm going to share with you the bars that I have, but you don't have to get these bars. Just go get your favorite bars. So like I said, either have your friends bring their favorite bars or host a party with 5 of your favorite bars. Now you can do more, but it gets to be a lot of chocolate. That's why I suggested 5 bars, even though I'm going to go through 7 today because I want to share with you these amazing bars that I love. Now, once you put this together, if you end up having some white or milk chocolates, start with those and then move over to the darker chocolate so as not to overwhelm the palate right at the start. Now, everyone should get their rate sheet out because you're going to be grading this chocolate on different categories, and I'm going to go over what those are right now. First of all, you'll be observing the color. I have all kinds of little notes on here on what you should look for. And then the smell. You want to let it melt in your fingers just a little bit and take a good long scent and get those olfactory glands going. What do you smell? Maybe it doesn't smell like anything. You know, maybe it's really rich and delicious. What does the mouth feel? Sometimes, you know, you put a chocolate in your mouth, it's a little too hard, it's got square edges, doesn't fit properly in the mouth, so you'll be grading that. Also the smoothness. Once it starts melting in your mouth, is it smooth, chalky, gritty, sandy? You know, what is the smoothness for it? Then, of course, you'll be grading the flavor. Sometimes a chocolate just falls flat comparatively to another chocolate. So all kinds of little notes on how to identify whether or not it's got great flavor, other than, of course, it's in your mouth, so you should know. And then the aftertaste. What is the very last thing that you're experiencing after the chocolate is gone? So this little piece of paper in the PDF file right below, you can download it and use it for your own parties. Now I'm going to go over the chocolates that I have here, but again, get your favorites. Doesn't really matter what chocolate bars you have, as long as you love them. First of all, I have Green and Black's milk chocolate with almonds. I've always loved this bar. This is a dark milk chocolate bar with almonds in it. Yes, it's milk chocolate, but it's a chocolate bar challenge. I'm not going to exclude milk chocolate. Now I do have a couple from our store, of course. Going to the dark side, this is one of my original bars. It's got milk and dark swirled together because I used to like milk chocolate. So this helped me switch over to the dark side. Hence the name, going to the dark side. Down by the sea salt has dark chocolate with almonds and a little bit of Malden sea salt. This is our best-selling bar and, of course, one of my favorites as well. Now I also got Chocolove's salted almond butter bar, and this was filled with almond butter. And I don't know if you can see this, but this bar is gone because I bought it a few days ago and I kept on eating it. So obviously this is not going to be part of my process today. This is a really good bar, by the way. They did a great job on it. The flavor is excellent. I also got Lindt dark chocolate orange, which is just kind of a standby. You know, I like to have one of these in the cupboard every now and then for some nibbling. Got a little bit of candied orange peel in it. And then one of the newer bars that I discovered a couple of years ago is called HU Human, like get back to nature. This is keto friendly. They don't have any sugar in here. They're sweetening it with coconut sweetener. No gluten, no dairy. It's paleo friendly. This is kind of the new it bar. You can buy this at Whole Foods. It's quite expensive compared to these other bars, but worth it. And then another bar from the Chocolate Therapist, only because this is one of my favorites. Superhero, 72% dark chocolate, almonds, and cherries. Now, I'm not going to eat this chocolate here today, but if I were going to, I would start with the milk and go to the dark and make all my tasting notes on the handy dandy rate sheet you can download for your party. So take the chocolate bar challenge. What is your favorite bar? How will you know unless you compare them all one right after another? Thanks for watching Chocolate Therapist TV today. And remember, if you like this video or our station, please sign up. I always do something fun and entertaining with chocolate. I call it news you can use. Literally, you can go to the store, get your chocolate bars, call your friends, and use this information today. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next episode.